In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect to the Oracle database using Python. Then we will run a select query. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. We will use the Oracle DB library to connect to the Oracle database. I transfer the library with this code. I import the library. I need to send some information about the database to the connect function. First, I will send the username and password information. I define a user using SQL Developer. I set the Python user's password as Turtle code. You can see all users in the Other Users section. As you can see, the Python user has now been added as well. I send user and password information to the connect function. Afterwards, I need to send the DSN information. DSN information will consist of the IP address and the global name of the database. We can see the IP address with it config. You can see the global name information of the database with this SQL. Now I define a cursor. I will run a select query using this cursor. I'm running a select query on the employees table. I can scan the output using a for loop. Let's take a look at the employees table. It consists of several columns. Instead of pulling all the columns, we can only check the first name information. I am editing the select query. The program received an error because the Python user does not have the authority to create sessions. You can grant this authority to the Python user using this code. I'm testing again. This time it threw a different error. The Python user does not have permission to run a select query on the table. You can grant this authority to the Python user using this code. I'm testing again. We pulled all the first name information from the table. You can pull more than one column information. For example, let's pull the employee ID, first name and last name information. In this video, we learned how to connect to the Oracle database using Python.